What should you do if you have to care for somebody in your household that's developed COVID-19? Whether that's a child, a significant other, a partner, maybe even a parent, someone that you live with who's gotten COVID. How should you best take care of them in terms of keeping you and the rest of your family safe? That's what we're talking about today. All right, the first thing is try to have a separate bedroom and bathroom if possible for the person with COVID-19. Now, before you say, Dr. Jen, that's not possible in my household. Look, I understand. It wouldn't be possible in my household either. And I know that in many households, it's not possible to have a whole separate bedroom and a bathroom for that person with COVID. So trust me, I get it. But if it is possible, that is one of the first things you want to do is give that person their own space. However, if it's not possible, don't worry. There's plenty of things that you can do to keep you and the rest of your family safe. So if you do share a bedroom and or bathroom with the person who is sick, you have to do that. I mean, shoot, that's life. That's many of us. Things that you can do to help is keep a fan going in the room so that the air circulates. Super important. Or open the windows so that there's good ventilation and airflow in and out of the bedroom and bathroom. That will also help. When it comes to eating and things like that, obviously everybody in the household has to eat, but it's important to try to eat separated. So the person with COVID should eat in a separate space than the rest of the family. And also remember that COVID is spread by, the sharing of respiratory droplets. That's the droplets that comes from our mouth or nose and all that kind of good stuff. So when it comes to washing the utensils for your loved one with COVID, you gotta be super, super careful. First of all, use gloves, guys. Caregivers, use gloves when washing the dishes of your family member with COVID. Make sure you're washing their dishes and utensils with hot soapy water or throw them in the dishwasher, very important, but use gloves and make sure you're washing your hands after you take the gloves off. Of course, it's important to not share objects. Don't share utensils with a person with COVID-19 in your household. Don't share cups, glasses, forks, knives, any of that stuff. Now, this is really important regarding face masks. The person who is sick with COVID-19 in your home should wear a face mask if they need to be around other people in the household to prevent them from spreading their germs to the rest of the people in your household. Remember, these cloth face masks, if you happen to have a surgical mask at home, whatever you got, the person who is sick should wear that mask when they're around other people in the household to prevent and keep from giving their germs to your family members. And caregivers, this is what I would also say. If you're the person taking care of your loved one with COVID-19, you should be wearing gloves when you're handling their stuff, whether it's their sheets, their blankets, their towels, and things like that. When you're taking care of them, you should also wear a mask yourself, okay? Also, while you're taking care of your loved one, like you're maybe handling things, getting them tucked in, whatever, you want the person who is sick to be wearing a mask as well. You really want to use ultimate precautions. And remember, guys, for those of you who are caregivers, first of all, God bless you. Make sure you're washing your hands often with soap and water, 20 seconds at least. You also use hand sanitizer. That's, of course, secondary to washing hands, but you want it to have at least 60% alcohol content. Make sure that as caregivers and the rest of the family, you're not touching your face. By the way, this should be everybody in the household, right? It should be washing hands and things like that. And also make sure you disinfect and clean surfaces very, very frequently. Guys, I have some videos on that as well. I will make sure I try to put them in the comments. Please share this video with anyone who it might be helpful for. And remember, if you're interested in sending stars, I answer your questions first. Guys, I hope this is helpful. I am Dr. Jen Caudle. I'll see you soon.